So Dirt Every Day has been cancelled and we all don't like it. Everybody doesn't like it. I wonder what pencil pusher decision this was. So anyway, I've been watching 4x Fred Williams and the Dirthead Shed. And in the Dirthead Shed, Dave says something interesting. He kind of thanks all the guys out there for supporting Dirt Every Day. And I mean, I've been watching this like for 10 years. Now in the one episode where Dave explains how he got where he is, he actually says, thanks to all the Dirtheads out there, and we are all Dirtheads. So I am the first official member besides Fred and Dave to become a Dirthead. And today, in this episode, we're going to be talking about my little YJ. So let's talk about my little Jeep that I've got here. This was given to me by my neighbor. Apparently it was standing on his property. Somebody asked him to put it on the property, but he never came to pick it up. So 10 years later, he was kind of getting fed up with it, and all I needed to do is bring it to my property. So that's what I've done. So this is not just any little YJ Jeep. This is actually the Renegade version of the YJ Jeep with these different kind of flares, fender flares. Now there's no more engine in this car and there's no more gearbox in this car. There's no prop shafts left. It's literally just a rolling chassis with a body on it. So let me put those flares on so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm thinking this is about a late 90s model or mid 90s model to late 90s model. And these are the fender flares that it had, and it came factory like this. So they called this the Renegade. It obviously came with bigger wheels and a different rim. It was standing on 31s when I got it, but they were completely mashed. So I don't have any paperwork on this car. I do not really know the year model. And I think it had a 4-liter straight 6 in it in its time. So it still has its standard axles and everything. So it is actually quite a nice Jeep, and it's quite a nice platform to have as a project car. And this is where the 4-liter straight 6 used to live. As you can see, it's all gutted. Gearbox is out. Prop shafts are gone, so there is a lot of work to be done on this. So I'm thinking maybe get a carburetor version of an engine and plonk it in here so that you don't have all the electronics. Yeah. So this is a nice project car, specifically because it is the Renegade version with these special fender flares. I just don't know what to do with it yet. So I'm kind of missing parts and money at the moment to throw at this thing, but sometime in the future we might get this going. So I'm looking for an engine with gearbox and transfer case in one. Then we just slap it in and project car for the win. Maybe put some bigger tires on it and we can have a nice little rig to go crawling in. So seeing that we've supported Dirt Every Day for the last 10 years, and according to Dirthead Dave, we are all Dirtheads. So my name is Dirthead Boris, official member besides Fred and Dave in the Dirthead Club. So guys, that's it from me this week. See you next time. Bye.